Hello everyone, it's March 31st. I think we finished all March. And we go on to April. Solving questions with brain power. Zero-indexed 2D integer array where questions I is points and brain power. The array describes the questions of an exam where you have to process the questions in order and make a decision whether to solve or skip each question. Solving question I will earn you points, but you will be unable to solve each of the next brain power questions. If you skip question I, you get to make the decision on the next question. What does the next brain power? Okay. For example, given the question 0 is solved, so I have to skip 2, right? You will earn 3 points, but you will be unable to solve questions 1 and 2. If instead question 0 is skipped and question 1 is solved, you will earn 4 points, but you will be unable to solve question 2 and 3. Return the maximum points you can earn for the exam. Just feel like DP to me. Right? Because each one you have two options. You either solve it or you skip it. So if you solve it, then you just go down. If you don't solve it, then you call the other one. So DPI is the maximum score from I towards the end. That's DPI, right? And each one you just decide whether you want to solve it or you don't want to solve it. And coming to the end, what's the edge case? Well, if we have one question left, obviously you'll solve it, right? So in this case, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, and 2, 5. So if I say DPI is equal to the maximum score, right, solving questions from I towards the end. So we know 0, 1, 2, 3. DP3 will equal to 2 because you must solve it. Now DP2 can either be I solve myself, so it will be 4 plus DP. We cannot solve the next 4, so it'll be DP6, right? So it's 2 plus 4. 0, 1, 2. So okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next 1, 2 actually should be plus 1, which doesn't have, so it's 0. Or I skip, then I do the next one, so it's 2. So this one will give us 4, right? And then DP1. So I either solve it, become 4 plus DP. It's going to be 1 plus 3 plus 1. So equal to DP5, which you don't have. So it's going to be 4 or we get the maximum, so 4. So this one equal to 4. Right? So now DP0. DP0 equal to, if I solve it, plus DP. 0 plus 2 plus 1. So it's DP3. Now DP3 is 2, so this one actually equal to 5. Or I don't solve it, then I get to 4. So the answer is 5. So that should be it. Oh, I have to. time flies. Every day we get closer and closer towards the goal of towards the goal of 2000. I wonder if you hit 2000, what's the next? I think I'll just keep going. There's just no point in not going at this point. Alright, so int n is questions.size. Actually, no, let me first do this while I'm still fresh. They look fresh. dp, where dpi is the max points scored from questions I towards the end. Alright, so int dp of size n, everybody is 0, and then dp n minus 1 shall equal 2 questions n minus 1 0, right? Now for int I equal to n minus 2 I larger equal to 0 and I plus plus. So I can say option 1, skip, right? So dp I shall equal to dp I plus 1. Solve option 2. Question I, right? So now we say dpi shall equal to std max dpi. So now we solve it. So that's going to be questions I 0 plus something. It's going to be questions I int j equal to questions I 1, right? So it's going to be I plus j plus 1. Is it larger or equal to n? If it is not, and at the end we'll return dp0. Alright, let's give this a shot. See if it works. Looks solid. I'll submit it. Oh shit, long. Fuck me. I knew it. Oh. Okay, now we should be good. Yep. feel it's a little bit too late because I'm starting to yarn again. Ooh, this one doesn't have editorial. Huh. But I'm pretty sure that is the solution. I haven't used LU cache for a very long time. Alright, anyway, that will be it. Oh.